What's popping, V squad? Squad. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, V in progress, because we're only progressing here. Yes guys, if you're new, karibu sana, please feel comfortable and remember to subscribe down below on the red button there written subscribe, and hit on that post notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. Yes, and if you like this video, make sure to like it, give it a big fat thumbs up, and comment down below on if you love this look or what more you'd want to see in my channel. Yes, so guys, as you can tell from the title, we're gonna be doing a smoky colorful eye with a little bit of glitter, and I loved how this came out. And we're gonna be featuring the Divas Cosmetics, which is a US based company or cosmetic company, and they are available in Kenya. And guys, first and foremost, how is this packaging? I just love it. And the makeup on the cover, it's just the bomb. I just feel like they took time to create something attractive, and I hope the palette is as attractive as the outside. So inside the palette here are the shades. How gorgeous are these again? And I love the fact that they have glitter. Guys, they have glitter in a palette. I haven't had any palette with glitter inside. Do you guys see? It's not just the shimmer, it's like glitter. Yeah, so I really love the colors here. Let's do a few swatch on the just see. So pigmented. Definitely it's super duper pigmented, you guys. Can you see? Yeah, so that's what we're gonna be reviewing, stroke featuring in today's vlog. And yeah, so if you want to see how we achieve this look, guys, please keep on watching.
You've only got 10 minutes, so put your face on. Foundation first, but don't forget.
Yeah, so guys, to start with, we're gonna set our eyelid, and you're using L.A Girl Concealer, a very light shade, and that's what we're gonna use as base for our eyelid so that our eyeshadow is popping. And I blended that with a flat brush. Then from the palette, I'm taking in Before Sunset. It's an orange shade, and that's what we're gonna use on our crease directly, and it's our transition shade. And as you can see, guys, I'm not using a very big brush. I used a very tiny fluffy brush because I wanted to be more precise. Yeah, so blend. Oh, and I had done already my face. The rest of my face is done, and my brows are popping. Yeah, then to blend that, I'm using in the Vivian shade from the same palette. And for this, you want to go all the way up to the brow bone area, because I just felt like it's a very beautiful shade. It's almost like my skin color, yeah, which will also set the brow bone part. Yeah, then we took in the Sunset shade. It's almost a reddish, it's a dark orange shade. Yeah, and again, I'm using a very precise brush and adding that to my crease area again. Yeah, just for more depth and intensity, because for hooded eyes, you always want your crease area to be above, a little bit above your normal crease area, so that your eyeshadow on the lid can pop even more and it can be seen. Yeah, and then we took back the Before Sunset, and that's what I'm using in to blend the eyeshadow, because you don't want to lose the color. You don't want to lose the color in as much as you're adding more colors. Yeah, so then next I'm taking Bonita. Yeah, this shade, it's a very dark brown, and that's what we're gonna be using at the outer corner of the eyes. And I'm also going with it all the way to the crease area again for more intensity again and depth, because we want it to be popping and the smokiness to be seen. Yeah, so for my inner eye lid, I'm taking in the Muse, and it's like a gold shade, almost a yellow gold, and I'm using a flat brush just to place it. I'm not rubbing, I'm just tapping it in, because I want it to be precise. Yeah, then we're taking in the Max shade. It's like a burgundy shade, and that's what we're gonna be using at the center of the eyelid. And again, I'm using the same flat brush the other side because I love this tiny brush. Yeah, just blend the shades together, make sure the transition is seamless. And to do that, I'm using in a shade brownie. It's an orangey brown shade, and I use that to just blend the marks in the brown shade for easy transition. Yeah, I'm happy with the blending, guys. I really love this. And then we're taking in the Cosmo, it's the glitter, and I'm using a tiny brush to just place it on top of Mark's shade. You see, because they are like almost the same, so I just wanted that feel of glitter and then have a base for it so that it's more popping. Yeah, I love the application. You don't even need glue for these glitters, guys, and that's a plus. Yeah, it just sticks on the eyelid. Yeah, I'm loving this eye. I'm loving it. Yes, so next we're taking in our liner, our pencil liner, and I'm just gonna create a wing liner. Again, for wing liner, I already have a video on that. Yeah, I'm gonna link it up here. Check up this link. Yeah, and we're just gonna create that wing to make the eye pop even more. For wing liners, you just want to be precise, no hurry, just look directly to the mirror down, yeah, and create that wing to how you want it. Again, there are so many different types of wings. Yeah, so for my waterline, I took in the Divas eye pencil, the black one. Almost everyone has this. Yeah, and that's what you're gonna use on our waterline. And then we are smoking it out. And then using the shade as Before Sunset and Sunset for our under eye. Yeah, just smoking it out. And then for mascara, I went in with the Maybelline mascara, the Rocket Volume mascara. Yeah, and we're just adding it on our lashes so that they are more popping in the transition when with the false lashes. Yeah, after that, I just popped in my lashes. You place it at the center part of the eye, and then you just use your fingers to place it on the rest of the eye. Yeah, and then you squeeze it together with your normal lashes. You can use your hands or you can use a tweezer. For my brow bone area, I highlighted it with the shade Neptune from the same palette, and I also added that on my my inner corner. Yeah. I love how this eye came out. I was so impressed with the blending. Yeah, it took me time because blending takes time, but I loved the outcome. I really hope you guys enjoyed creating this, and you're gonna try the palette, the Divas Cosmetics. I love it. It's pigmented, and as you guys can tell, like, it's easy to blend and it's very pigmented, and the plus, it's the glitter. Yeah, I just still wish they had like a smoky black eyeshadow on the palette, but the brown worked as perfectly. Yeah, so guys, if you loved this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts on this palette. If you have used it, let me know down below. And above everything, remember, positive vibes only, no negativity. And you, yani wewe, you can do anything you put your mind to, because God got you. He got you, person. Wink, 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 wink. Yeah, till next week, guys. Bye. Bye, 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 bye.